How to set up Lusha. First things first, come here, enter your work email at the top right. Okay, lusha.com, and then click on start for free. And then they will redirect you to a new page where basically you're going to be doing the sign up process, right? So let's just wait for a few seconds. You'll have to enter your company name first. So right now it is going to pick up my email. Enter your company name, for example, Pioneer Media. We'll name it Sam Wilkes. And you can choose your phone number right here, right? Go ahead and I'll choose the United States. And then we will put in our phone number. So this is my number right now. There we go. And then you can go ahead and click on get started. So now you have to enter in your password. And then it'll ask you how you discover Lusha. You can just say web search, LinkedIn, anything else, or just YouTube. It doesn't really matter. Then you just go ahead and click on get started. They'll send you a verification code to your email. It will be 6 digits. Go ahead and verify that. And then you can go ahead and log in and you will come to your dashboard. Now here on your dashboard, guys, you'll see this option right here at the top right that says install extension, okay? Click on this and this will redirect you to the Chrome web store. Now, all you want to do is come here and click on add to Chrome. We'll get a pop-up right here and you just need to click on add extension. And what's going to happen is the Chrome web store will basically start downloading this extension. And as you can see, it has been added to our Chrome. Now come here, I'll pin this to my, Chrome. And as you can see, it is redirecting me to LinkedIn. And I will show you that it's been successfully installed and set up. So for example, we have here Asa, who is, a co-founder and president of Lusha. And right here, you should see the Lusha extension popping up. It usually pops up right here if it's successfully been installed. The page is still loading up, so we're just going to wait it out. Here we go. The extension has been added, and let's see if it's been integrated with LinkedIn. I'll close this. And as you can see, guys, it has integrated with LinkedIn. Now I can get the information on this person. As you can see, we have their email right here. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.